You heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to zero. Zero. When it comes out, zero. You heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to zero. Zero. When it comes out, zero.
Okay, I think now it's good. I think so. Yep, sorry. Yeah, I had a problem with my microphone, my mic. Yeah. Okay, so I think now you can hear me. So, okay, let me start again. Today we have a new weekly close. So, this technical analysis actually is gonna be fast because Bitcoin was just in sideways this weekend. And so the close, we have to close it right now. Find the chart or weekly chart. As you can see here in weekly chart, we can close around $31,000 to 100 around there. And of course, we were expecting this bounce around 26,000 here around this area. So we can expect Bitcoin maybe other tests around $27,000. Yeah, maybe yes, it's normal. The point is the close. Yep, any daily close below $27,000, we will see other leg down to $18,000 around there. So for now, the best thing for Bitcoin now is be in sideways, but don't forget, the trend is your friend. And now with this leg down, Bitcoin finally reversing the trend, and we are technically speaking in a weekly bear market. Yeah. So of course, I am expecting a bounce. Yes, let me be honest. I am expecting a big bounce. Yes, but not yet. Now, let's talk about the potential bottom here. In the investing channel, I had a special live stream. This technical analysis I'm going to do here is more in the big picture. So in that technical analysis in the private channel was more specific. So the only thing I can tell you right now here is simple. As long Bitcoin is holding $24,000 on weekly basis, technically we gotta start talking about maybe the bottom is in, and if Bitcoin is closing above this area, I will say it by the end of next month. I think yeah, if we see the close by the end of this month and Bitcoin is not breaking this area, and the reason is because of this here between 26 and 24, that is the area like I will start looking for the minimum target here. I mean, of course, you can see a week, right? A week. The point is not the point is the close. We can see a week here, below the MA 200 or moving average 200. Yes, no problem. The point is the close. As long as Bitcoin is closing above the MA 200 and moving average 200, not today, not tomorrow, as I said before, around 1 month or two, yeah, we can start thinking Bitcoin. This area is the bottom for Bitcoin. But as I said, it's gonna take time. It's not like the bottom you're seeing right now to the moon 100x. No, it's not like that. So in previous cycles, Bitcoin was here, 4 months, 5 months in sideways. You're expecting something like this, like 2020? I don't think so. I am expecting something like this from 2018, and the reason is OBB. OBB now is very bad, so there is no volume in the market. So it will take time. Even if Bitcoin is, we will see the bottom here, Bitcoin is gonna be in sideways, and at least all this year, and very boring sideways. That is gonna be the best thing for Bitcoin. But let me show you something here. As long as the ADX is positive here in weekly basis, this is very concerning. Okay, so at least, as I said before, this weekly basis is 3 months technical analysis. So we started last week here, so we have to wait around yeah, by the end of June actually. Yeah, so but yeah, I mean, you are thinking to short right now here because, you know, Bitcoin to zero in general, I think it's not bad. It's not a good idea, especially when Bitcoin is in the lows right now. Yeah, maybe in shorter time frame you can do it, of course, but in swing positions in this kind of things for shorts, I think it's not smart. Okay, so let's continue. Right now we have the second close is the 5-day chart. The 5-day chart, as you can see here, we have, technically speaking, this is what is the name of this one? It's not a hammer. It's looking like a hammer, but it's not a hammer. So I think it's a dragonfly. Yes, I think pattern. Yeah, candle reversal. I think I need to check honestly, but I am not using this pattern very often. But this is very easy. This is 5-day chart, so that means in the next 10 days, I will say 2 candles, Bitcoin cannot break $25,000, $26,000. If you see by the end of this month Bitcoin is not breaking this area, maybe we can start thinking this asset is potentially the bottom is around here. Yes, but as I said before, it's too soon, so we have to wait. Now the area is very simple. Right now Bitcoin is getting rejected by $32,000, as you can see here, and any close below $30,000, you will see the leg down. Usually is around here, around $27,000. Everything is gonna be fine as long as Bitcoin is defending this area. $27,000 now is the next area I'm gonna start looking for the potential, not bottom, but Bitcoin must defend this area. Any close below here, you will see, well, the next target is around $18,000, $15,000 around there. Here, this is the area, the next area I'm gonna start looking for. But as I said before, even with this, I don't think short the market right now. Yeah, the shorts were, I mean, in macro time frames, here and here, on here, of course, yeah, or here. But here, when it's the low, in the lowest point of the range, I think in general is not very smart. At least like swing short, I don't think so. Yeah, as I said before, short time frame, maybe 4-hour chart, maybe it makes sense. Yeah, actually here in 4-hour chart, now let's talk about the 4-hour chart right now here. Well, the technical analysis yesterday, we have a sell signal right now here, this weekend, as you can see here, and now we have this, as I said before, I am still in short position, right? I opened a short position around $30,000 for 100, and I was expecting like something like this. Market makers, they like to do this, and you know, to the moon, right? Usually these kind of things is like, okay, testing 55, yeah, all in 100x. No. In short term, this is like this. So my technical analysis for our chart is telling me respect the trend. I mean, this is simple. Respect the trend. The trend is to the downside, so that's it, to the downside. So any close below $3,000, you will see full rejection. Minimum, I will set $28,000 for 100. So as long, even for our chart, that is the thing, guys. Even for our chart, it's in downtrend. Yeah. So it's not smart looking for longs right now. I mean, right now. Yeah, right now. I think that the market will cool down. Yeah, the volatility is very high right now here, and Okay, let's see. Okay, please tell me if you can. Okay, I think now it's working. Sorry, something is happening with this application. I don't know. So one thing is short-term time frames. Okay, I mean you want to shorten time frames. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, but swing shorts. When I said long swing shorts by 10 days or 1 month or something like that, I don't think so. This is bad idea. So in one day chart, we are gonna have potentially a bounce maybe next week. The reason for this is because, well, we have the ADX the slope is trying to get negative here, and we potentially will have a buy signal here. So we need Bitcoin entering sideways here, and in some point we will see a bounce here between MA21 and MA55. But as I said before, I think for now it's just sideways. Bitcoin is gonna start consolidating here. Maybe the other testing the lows around maybe $27,000, maybe yes. And after that, maybe we will see a bounce here. So I will be careful about this. Let me tell you something. It's about psychology of trading. I can see some people in the group, in my private group, they are or extremely bearish or they are thinking the bottom is in. Okay, so both sides, they are a bad idea. Okay, so watch the chart and the chart will show you the facts, right? So that's why I don't follow news, I don't follow anything, right? So yes, I'm listening to the chart right now. In the chart, in one day chart, we don't have a buy signal right now. The ADX is still positive, yes. We don't have any confirmation on nothing. So in 4-hour chart is in downtrend, 12 hours in downtrend. If we see a bounce, it's gonna be, well, if we see a bounce here for Bitcoin, it's just gonna be a bounce. Maximum area right now is around $36,000. Of course, remember tomorrow is gonna be around 36. By the end of the week, it's gonna be around 35. So, but this is gonna be just a bounce if that happen. Of course, if we have this technical analysis, so in one day chart, we will see a bounce. But as I said before, it will take time. Okay. Okay, so yep, the 4-hour chart recap. Okay, because yeah, the audio was a problem. Very simple here. In this weekend, I am short. I opened a short yesterday here. Yeah, and not because I see a very small, tiny green candle. I'm gonna enter in panic and close my short. Of course not. This is just a bounce here, and to keep falling. That is my speculation, and always is gonna be like that, because Bitcoin is testing the major area of resistance right now between $32,000, 31. So any close below around $3,000 in moving average in MA21, you will see full rejection to 28, and maybe $27,000 is gonna be the next area. Yeah, other test. I am not expecting a break. I don't think so. Not now. I think Bitcoin is just it's gonna cool down, and we will see the volatility contracting in 4-hour chart maybe this week. And after that, we need to be ready for the next move. Okay. Okay, so now let me be clear. I am in short position right now here around $30,000 500. That is the area I'm in short, and that's it. Okay. Okay, so now let's talk about again the weekly chart. In weekly chart looks like yep, any close below $30,000, 4-hour chart I will say, you will see for other tests to $27,000. The question is the close. If we see at least one day chart closing below $27,000, yes, next area is gonna be $20,000, $18,000. But as I said, it's a process. Don't rush. And as I said before, this is the worst moment, in my personal opinion, to be extremely bearish, right? Like, oh, Bitcoin to zero now. Okay, respect the trend, and the trend is to the upside right now. Yeah, Bitcoin it can stay here in weekly basis around here, but as I said before, this in the MA 200 historically speaking here, technically speaking, is the bottom of the market. You see, 1, 2, 3. Here, we don't know. We need to wait for confirmations. Okay, but technically speaking, according to the backtesting, this area is for longs, not for shorts. Okay. Of course, we don't know exactly what is going to happen. We cannot predict the future, so we are thinking based on probabilities. Now, the monthly. Let's talk about the monthly. The monthly is gonna close in 2 weeks. So here is testing the MA55. Here, historically speaking, is technically the bottom. Actually, in previous market cycles, Bitcoin found the bottom around MA55. So between 24 and maybe a week around is $14,000. No problem. The point is the close. Now by monthly, MA21 is always Bitcoin is testing MA21, as you can see here, 1, 2, 3, and the close is very important. As I said before, the next close of this candle is in July 2022. Remember this date. If by July 2022 Bitcoin is below $30,000, get ready, because we will see 14, even lower, maybe $12,000 around there. So we have 2 months. 2 months. It's gonna be very interesting. Okay. Now let me show you here the logarithmic regression in weekly chart. Weekly chart. We have this one, and now where are we? Well, Bitcoin is testing here actually no, let me see. Yeah, close above a little bit above the lowest point of the band, the red band, $3,500. Any close today, based on this chart, any close today, I will set, you will see auto leg down to $25,000. Historically speaking, again, remember 200 MA and 200 moving average. Historically speaking, they Bitcoin found the bottom there. Yes. The problem with this is because I said that in my private channel, there are some things like right now in this price action are a little bit different. They are not the same like here and like here. Okay, so we need to be ready for the potential scenario. Bitcoin could break the MA200, and if that happens, the next area we will start looking for is around this area between $14,000 to $12,000. Okay, but as I said before, price action is the most. I need to see the close first to start thinking that is gonna happen. Okay, that could happen. Sorry. Okay, so let me. Sorry, Kevin, I don't watch 2 hour time frames. Minimum is 4 hours. Okay, so let's talk about the next chart. Is the USDT dominance in macro time frames. We have the close right now in weekly chart, and as you can see here, well, you are thinking this is rejection. No, this is not rejection, but it's a warning. The first warning we have for USDT. So any close this week below around 5.90 here, one day chart maybe closing here, you will see a major pullback to this area, test in this area. So that means Bitcoin will have a strong bounce, and after that continuation to the upside. The reason for this is simple. Remember, monthly is the most important here, and we are in a progress of breakout here. Yeah, we are in a monthly breakout. 2 month chart, let me see. Yeah, we don't have data here, enough data here, but it is a monthly breakout. This asset is trending. So we have this close, any close below 5.90 this week, you will see the trigger, and we will see 4 or 5. So that means Bitcoin will have a bounce very soon. But we need to see confirmations. Right now here in 1 day chart, Bitcoin is, yeah, let me see here. The ADX is positive here. It's just a pullback. This is just a pullback here. MA55, maybe lowest point, maybe 0.5 around there, and from the continuation to the upside. So I think today is gonna be boring, yeah, and we will see a setup maybe tomorrow, maybe Wednesday around there. Okay, but we need to be ready, because I am looking for I am looking for a bounce, at least a bounce from this area. I am not looking for more shorts right now. If I will short Bitcoin, is because I see the first I want to see the bounce, and after that, yeah, I will start looking for swing shorts again. Okay, but not yet. Okay, so let's talk about the Bitcoin dominance, because Bitcoin dominance finally, after 1 year, is doing something very impressive here. Okay, is testing the MA55? Yes. Now, didn't close this week above there. Okay, no problem. We have potential bear divergence here. Yes. The thing here is the volatility is expanding here, and the ADX is positive here. So if this is the bottom for Bitcoin, and this asset is going to start expanding, well, you will see a very good rally for Bitcoin maybe in the next 2 months. But if Bitcoin breaks or at least other close maybe below $30,000, for example, next week, and worse, the monthly close is below there. Any close below $30,000 in monthly, I think is gonna destroy the market. I think, yeah, that's why I think Bitcoin, the best thing Bitcoin can do right now is being sideways. So any direction Bitcoin finally will take next month, if this asset is about to is expanding right now, it's gonna be to the downside very destructive. Yeah. So right now I'm expecting a bounce, yes, and I hope that bounce will confirm the potential bottom of this market. But I don't think so. Not yet. Not yet. A little more pain first. That is my expectation, of course. Mm-hmm. Okay, so let's continue. I'm gonna continue with altcoins. If you want me to see some altcoins, no. Okay. I'm gonna start with Cardano, and after that I'm gonna move to Ethereum. Okay. Okay. Cardano, ADX is positive here in ADX is positive here in weekly chart. So yep, any close below 0.50 in 1 day chart, for example, you see tomorrow closing below 0.50. I'm expecting after maybe a 0.40. 0.40 is gonna be the bottom of this. There's actually my target hit perfectly. The first target is 0.40. Yeah, perfect hit. Very good. Other close below 0.50, you will see 0.40 breaking, and you will see in the long term the next area is gonna be 0.20, 0.15. Okay. Okay, so let's talk about Solana. Let me be clear. I am not buying altcoins. I am not holding anything, because my rule is if I don't see Bitcoin healthy, altcoins, no thank you. Mm-hmm. Okay, Solana 55 hit my target. Yes, 40. Yes, $40 around here. This is the area. Other test to do this area. Yes, I'm expecting something like it's totally normal. The thing is simple. If the market is gonna we found the bottom for Bitcoin, well, pay attention here, because you wanna see Solana in this case, or many altcoins, consolidating here for maybe 2-3 months, and after that you will see a bounce. Yeah. So that is the thing. That is the play in weekly chart. Let me see it here. Yeah, same thing here. So same as Bitcoin. As long as the ADX is positive here, we cannot be very bullish right now. Conservative, I would say, defensive. Mm-hmm. XRP, if 0.20 is the area for XRP. 0.20. Yeah, I said before, breaking 0.60, you will see 0.20, 0.30 around there. So it's in progress. This asset is even worse because close below MA200 here, as you can see here. So this is a confirmation of breakdown. So you can expect this month and next month you will see 0.25 around here, this area. Yeah, this area. This is the area I will start expecting for a bounce for XRP. ADX is positive, but expanding, yes. Mm-hmm. Okay, meat. What is meat? Let me see. Meat 0. Next target is 0. Yeah, very close to 0. 0.00585 is the area I'm gonna start looking for, maybe for a bounce. Yeah, continuation to the downside according to the price action. Yes. The sell-off is not very strong, but look, this chart is garbage. Sorry, but it's garbage. Yeah, around here, any close below 0.00585, you will see a leg down to 0.002, but I don't think so. I think we'll see a bounce here. First, 0.005 is gonna be the area I will start looking for a bounce if I have to trade this, but no, thank you, never. I will not do it. Monthly, a monthly chart, yep, same area, 0.005. This area is the area I will start looking for. Maybe if you are thinking for accumulation, maybe this area, but sell signal here, ADX is gonna be negative here, so you can expect, based on my experience, you will see this asset in sideways for many months in the lows, same as Million token, for example. Mm-hmm. Okay, so let's continue with other altcoins. BNB, for example, BNB in weekly chart breaking 400, you will see 265 around there. So let me see my target hit. Yeah, my target hit perfectly. Yeah, very good. 250 around there is the area. Bounce and now retest. So as long as it's above here, technically speaking, I am not bearish. I am not bearish on this. Yeah, it's nasty, yes, but I need to see full rejection with a close below here like this, and after that, yes, a loft, and we can start talking about the hell, right? Zero, but not yet. Axe infinite here, continuation to the downside, yes. My target in progress around $9 is still in progress. Okay, let me see something else. Other coin. Nope, no, I don't think so. Okay, let me see. Ethereum, right? Ethereum, 1,800 around there was my target before. Let me see, 1,800 perfect hit. In progress, yes. Maybe I'm expecting other test to this area this week, potentially, yes. But as I said before, I need to see the breakdown here, and you see the breakdown, something like this, right? Here, something like this. We can start talking about lower prices in this year, okay? But for now, as I said before, for me it's not smart right now entering short in the market when the assets are testing the lows. And as I said before, you can do it maybe in short-term time frames, but not in higher time frames. Actually, no. Monthly, okay, monthly for Ethereum, breaking the M21. Ethereum is more clear than Bitcoin actually. Ethereum, based on Ethereum, if I can tell you right now, this asset is 10 times easier to read than Bitcoin. Here, any close this one below 2,400, you will see continuation, and the next area to start looking for is around 1,200 in the monthly basis. But here there is no support, so the next area I'm going to start looking for is around 500. Yeah. Okay, I think. What is that? Okay, I don't know what is this. First time, garbage. Garbage continuation, $3 with 20 cents other test around there. Any close here, this is the last hope for this coin. Any close below here, you will see $1 with 50 cents. One of the biggest warnings I want to show you is something new. Something new is happening in this market, and there is one coin like it's doing. Like, it's the first time I see something like this. Not Luna, of course. That was the first thing. I never seen like really just 3 days a coin just going to zero. It's the first time. But one of the biggest warnings I can see right now in the market is iOS. Okay, iOS is doing something like, it's the first time I saw this. Okay, and this is very concerning because this my friend is telling me something like something new is going to happen in the market potentially. Yes. So for first time in the history of this chart since 2018, iOS closed below $1 with 50 cents. So technically speaking, closing below there, you will see continuation to the downside. So this asset is breaking the macro range since 2018, as you can see here. One moment here. Is breaking this area. Okay. Now, confirmation, yes. I want to see other close below this area. Any close this week below this area, I am telling you right now, something new is happening in the markets because this is not normal. 2018, big bounce, 2018, big bounce, and here, other close here this week, this asset is gonna start trending to the downside. So this could be the first warning, like something new is gonna happen in the markets like no one is expecting. Okay. Okay, so Monero, right? Monero. Let me see. No, it's not this one. Okay, Yep, Monero in weekly chart tested the lowest point here of this area of demand, but looks like it's gonna test again here, maybe this week or next week, the next area. Any close below here, you will see, well, actually around 70, 60 in the long term. Let me see the one-day chart if I can tell you something different. Yeah, bounce. This is a bounce to keep falling. This is just bouncing here and respect the trend. The trend is your friend, and this is to the downside again. Okay. Yeah, buy signal here. Yeah, I mean, this is a very healthy. This is the beginning of a downtrend. Okay, so any close below 135, I will set. You will see a full rejection, maybe 80, 85 in the long term. Okay. Okay, so let me see. Not now. Okay, algo, right? Algo. What is algo? Oh yeah, algo. Okay, let me see. Very bad. Continuation to the downside. 0.30 is the area I will start looking for a bounce here. Yeah, just continuation. Very healthy, powerful downtrend. Downtrend in weekly chart. Yeah, 0.29, 0.28, around there. Okay, so now for the total market cap 2, total 2 for Bitcoin of all the altcoins in general, what we can expect. Let me show you here, total 2 here. Okay, the target hit around, yes, 677, around this area, yes. Last week is tested, yes. Other tests, maybe, yes. I mean, maybe more downside for more altcoins this week. Yes, but as I said before, first I will start looking for a bounce first, maybe next week. Yeah, sideways this week, and after that maybe a bounce first, and after that maybe continuation. Okay, maybe continuation. Let me see here the weekly chart. ADX is positive, so the sell pressure is real for altcoins. So you see a bounce, same as Bitcoin in one day chart. The next bounce here in one day chart for altcoins is gonna be a sell. Respect the trend. The trend is your friend. For example, here this bounce. Let me do this here again. Yeah, this bounce here is just continuation to the downside because the trend is your friend and the trend is to the downside. Okay, so I think I'm done for Bitcoin. So let me talk about stocks a little bit. We have just 10 minutes left because, as I said before, today I'm expecting just sideways. The market is gonna just be boring today. So SP500 in one day chart bounce, yes, from this area 3,800 around there, and now this is just a very healthy downtrend. So the next bounce, there is a very healthy. It's gonna be a sell, a continuation to the downside. Let me see the weekly chart, how it's looking. Okay, bounce here, yes. Let me see here. This yellow box is here. 3,800 is the last hope for SP500. If you see any close below here, I think the market is gonna start. The retailers will start freaking out, and you will see finally capitulation around 3,400, around there. I think it's possible, maybe, yes. Let me see. Yeah, ADX is above 23, still positive, very strong, expanding. I don't know bullish on this. Let me see the monthly continuation. It's very easy. Actually, this is very easy. If this week you see SP500 closing below 4,000, I would say, this week, you can expect in the long term, in some point next month, at one test around 3,400, 500, around there. Okay, so I mean, let me see. Meta, Facebook, right? Facebook, where is Facebook? Weekly charts in sideways here, so no reversal, no downtrend. This is sideways. As long as this area is holding 178, 180, this area is holding. Yeah, be ready. potentially could be a buy signal here. So this is like this. Let me be clear. As long as this asset is holding this area, this is like this. Okay, in weekly chart. Okay, so Amazon one day. Amazon one day. Easy play for Amazon. Any close below this month, in this month, sorry, below 2,400, continuation to 1,800 around there. Let me see the weekly. The weekly. It's not looking bad. I mean, yes, but look, I think I will say auto leg down around here, 1,800. I will say around here, because there is no volume here. There is no volume here. So the best thing in weekly chart is just wait for sideways here, consolidation, and after that, if you see a buy signal, yeah, maybe you can play the bounce. But yeah, I mean, it's gonna take time because it's weekly chart. Let me see the one-day chart. One-day chart, yeah, potential bounce here in progress, not now. Wait for the signal here, sideways here, ADX negative here, confirmation here, and after that, you can start speculating at least a test around. Okay, sorry, something is happening with my computer today. Okay, so yep, the trend is your friend here for ARC. So follow the trend, don't fight the trend. Okay guys, so I think I'm done for today. So let me see, recap for Bitcoin to zero, maybe. Yeah, okay, Bitcoin. When the chart potential bounce in progress, not now, not today. I'm expecting maybe Wednesday, Thursday, around there. Maybe we can see the bounce. So, but I am defensive right now in the markets and respect the trend. The trend is your friend, and the trend is to the downside. So I open on a short position here, and I didn't close anything because I saw just a green candle. Okay, guys, sorry, I have some technical issues right now, so I think I'm gonna finish the live stream for today. Okay, so thank you for watching. I'm gonna fix this issue, and tomorrow I see you tomorrow. I'm gonna see you tomorrow.
You heard it here first. Bitcoin is going to zero. Zero.